Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make Ghost Kadai, a flavorful and tender meat dish. First, prepare 1 kilogram of goat or lamb, cut into 2-inch pieces. Marinate the meat for at least 30 minutes with 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 100 grams of plain yogurt. This initial step ensures the meat absorbs rich flavors and becomes incredibly tender. Next, heat about 4 tablespoons of cooking oil in your kadai. Sauté 2 finely chopped onions until they turn a beautiful golden brown, which takes approximately 8 to 10 minutes. Then, add the marinated meat and sear it on high heat for about 10 minutes, ensuring it browns evenly. Now, incorporate whole spices such as 4 green cardamom pods and 2 small cinnamon sticks for an aromatic base. Now, it's time to build the rich gravy. Add 3 chopped tomatoes to the kadai and cook them down until they soften and release their juices, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Stir in powdered spices, including 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Pour in 1 cup of water, cover the kadai, and let it simmer for 45 to 60 minutes until the meat is perfectly tender. For the final touches, uncover the kadai and cook on high heat for about 5 to 10 minutes, reducing the gravy to your preferred consistency. Adjust salt to taste. Garnish generously with fresh ginger juliennes and a handful of freshly chopped coriander leaves for a burst of freshness. Your delicious Ghost Kadai is now ready to be served hot. Enjoy it with warm naan bread, fluffy roti, or fragrant steamed basmati rice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.